Welcome to Mozada, an exclusive year-round mountaintop sanctuary. The first wellness community planned homes and neighborhood designed to support residents' physical, emotional, and sometimes even spiritual well-being. Here, design is fully integrated into the landscape as nature is itself. Mozada dictates each home to be built in exact accordance to architectural guidelines that define healthy, breathable homes. Each home with sweeping porches sprinkled with lemonade-sipping residents, old and young. Partake of the numerous activities scattered throughout the landscape. There are no cluttered driveways, and you won't spot garbage cans or utility wires on these streets. Such unseemly items are cleverly hidden. Instead, you will be exposed to the peaceful views of the uniquely beautiful and serene waters of the Red Sea. It's fitting that the community's name is Mozada. The word means glorious in Arabic, encapsulates all that is beautiful in the universe. Mozada is a safe haven for those who seek balance and peace. 101 acres of experience that are curated to evoke emotions and memories that are made to stay with you for many years to come. It may be the end of our story, but it's the beginning of yours. With your family, your children, and the ones you love. Enjoy a luxurious, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity of exploration, freedom, relaxation, and interactivity.